All right, let's get into this. When somebody brings up the topic of stopping power, 9 times out of 10, their mind snaps right to a tactical rifle. An AR, an AK, something with a shoulder stock. But here's the reality check. There are revolvers on the market right now, hand cannons, really, that are so powerful, so over-engineered. They don't just rival, they flat-out surpass the ballistic energy of many common rifles. We're not talking about your granddad's old snub-nose. These are purpose-built machines. They're engineering marvels, designed from the ground up to manage cartridges built for one thing: stopping the biggest, most dangerous game on the planet. We're talking cartridges that can drop a charging Cape Buffalo or punch through hardened barriers like they're not even there. Tonight, we're stepping into that high-pressure arena. The world where a wheel gun or revolver can flex more raw muscle than a lot of long guns. These firearms aren't about compromise. They are about delivering overwhelming, uncompromising force in a package you can carry on your hip. Colt Anaconda. First up, let's talk about the return of a legend, the Colt Anaconda. This revolver isn't just carrying on Colt's legendary snake gun heritage, it's redefining it for the modern era. The Anaconda is a statement piece of American engineering. With a sticker price right around $1,500, it's not for the casual plinker. This is a serious revolver, built for shooters who demand top-tier performance and that timeless Colt craftsmanship. It's built on Colt's new, reinforced I-frame. This thing is a solid chunk of stainless steel, machined with a level of precision that makes it as beautiful as it is durable. It's chambered in the mighty .44 Magnum. Out of this platform, the Anaconda will send a 240-grain slug downrange at about 1,280 feet per second. That translates to over 740 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. That is more than enough punch to stop a bear in its tracks or punch right through automotive glass and a steel door panel with authority. The 6-inch barrel is the sweet spot, long enough to get that velocity, but short enough to still be handy. Colt also added a full-length underbarrel lug. It doesn't just look good. It protects the ejector rod and gives the cylinder lockup extra strength for a steady diet of full-house Magnum loads. When you touch off a .44 Magnum in the Anaconda, you feel that perfect blend of old-school raw power and modern, precise manufacturing. This is a revolver built to dominate the big-bore world. Nighthawk Custom Korth, NXS. Now, we're shifting gears from American muscle to European precision. This is the Nighthawk Custom Korth, NXS. This revolver is the literal definition of elite, high-end craftsmanship. It's the product of obsessive German engineering from Korth, refined and brought to the U.S. market by the masters at Nighthawk Custom. The price tag? Right around $5,100. And you can see every single penny of that price in the fit, finish, and performance. This is one of the smoothest, most advanced revolvers ever conceived. The NXS is chambered in .357 Magnum. Its frame is finished in a black diamond-like carbon, or DLC coating. That makes it incredibly resistant to wear, scratches, and corrosion. Mated to that is a precision-grade stainless barrel that delivers surgical accuracy. We're talking 2-inch groups at 50 yards from a revolver. The cylinder isn't a 6-shooter. It carries 8 rounds. That's a 33% increase in firepower over a traditional .357. The 4-inch barrel keeps the whole package balanced. It's fast from the holster, but still has the length to stabilize those Magnum loads. It weighs in at about 44 ounces. That heft is intentional. It's there to soak up recoil, letting the shooter run full power loads with outstanding control. But inside, that's where the magic is. Korth's proprietary roller-bearing trigger system is tuned like a Swiss watch. Single action breaks like a glass rod at a clean 3 pounds. The double action is a long, smooth, predictable glide. The NXS isn't just a revolver. It's a precision instrument. It's the absolute peak of German mechanics, built to meet American demand for firepower. Taurus Raging Hunter 460. All right, let's get loud. This is the Taurus Raging Hunter 460. This wheel gun isn't just a big revolver. This is a portable hunting rig, plain and simple. You're looking at a massive hunk of Brazilian steel, built to contain one of the most powerful American cartridges ever made, the 460S and W Magnum. Retail price is right around $1,269, which is a ton of horsepower for the money. Let's talk performance. A 200-grain slug leaves that 10.5-inch barrel screaming at 2,330 feet per second. That is delivering nearly 2,400 foot-pounds of energy at the muzzle. To put that in perspective, that is significantly more energy than a classic .30-30 Winchester rifle. Yet, You're holding it in a revolver that weighs 4 pounds, 7 ounces. The frame is massive. The cylinder is nearly 2 inches wide. Taurus included a very effective dual-stage muzzle brake that tames that recoil by about 30%. But here's the real kicker: versatility. This gun doesn't just chamber the 460 Magnum. It will also safely chamber and fire 454 Casull and 45 Colt. That is 3 different levels of power, from mild to apocalyptic, all in one revolver. Colt Python. Now, let's talk about the legend, the Colt Python. When serious shooters talk about revolver craftsmanship and refinement, this is the name that sits at the top of the list. The price is about $1,500. And what you're paying for is a level of precision and a trigger that no other factory .357 Magnum has ever really matched. With its 6-inch barrel, it can push a 125-grain hollow point at about 1,450 feet per second. That's generating over 580 foot-pounds of energy. Now, on paper, that doesn't stack up against the massive hunting Magnums we just discussed. But the Python wins in refinement. That iconic ventilated rib isn't just for looks. It helps with heat dissipation and aiming plane. The hammer and trigger are tuned at the factory so that the single action breaks at a crisp, clean 4.5 pounds. It's balanced, it's a tack driver, and it has an authority all its own. It's the definition of a shooter's revolver. Ruger Super Redhawk. Alaskan next. We're heading north to Alaska. When you are walking through dense brush in bear country, a sidearm isn't an accessory. It's a lifeline. And that is the exact job the Ruger Super Redhawk Alaskan was built to do. This revolver is a compact brute, designed to dump catastrophic energy at point-blank range. It's chambered in the brutal 454 Casull. The sticker price is near $1,569. And what you get is a snub-nose cannon with a 2.5-inch barrel. That short tube launches a 250-grain slug at about 1,225 feet per second. That translates into nearly 1,466 foot-pounds of punch, enough to chew through the engine block of a small car. The blast is ferocious. Expect a massive fireball and a concussion wave with every single shot. But Ruger tames it as much as you can tame it with a Hogue Tamer grip that soaks up a ton of that recoil. Plus, it has fully adjustable sights, so you can still get precise hits. This is the gun that wildlife officers in Alaska trust when they might be staring down a charging grizzly at arm's length. Freedom Arms Model 83. Now, let's step into the world of cost-is-no-object precision. This is the Freedom Arms Model 83. This wheelgun is widely, and correctly, considered the absolute peak of American revolver craftsmanship. The sticker price is just under $3,000, $2,994 to be exact. This is not just another revolver. You have to think of this as a finely tuned scientific instrument, built to deliver rifle-like accuracy in a handgun frame. Chambered in 454 Casull, the Model 83 with its 4.75-inch barrel can drive a 300-grain bullet at 1,625 feet per second. That is laying down about 1,750 foot-pounds of energy. But the accuracy, that's the real story. We are talking sub-2-inch groups at 50 yards. Shot. After. Shot. That kind of precision only comes from hand-fitted lockwork bank vault tight tolerances and perfect barrel-to-cylinder timing. It's the kind of detail only Freedom Arms puts into their work. This revolver's reputation is built on consistency, reliability, and surgical accuracy. It's what serious shooters call a lifetime gun. Magnum Research BFR. Next, we move to the Magnum Research BFR. And yes, that stands for exactly what you think it stands for. Biggest, finest revolver. The name fits. Because this thing doesn't just dabble in handgun power, it jumps straight into full-blown rifle territory. The price starts around $1,300. And what you're buying is a revolver chambered for full-power rifle rounds. This particular model is cut for .45-70 government. That's a cartridge designed to hunt buffalo. This means the BFR can sling a massive 405-grain slug at 1,330 feet per second. Energy on target? Roughly 1,590 foot-pounds. The BFR isn't just about raw power. It is engineered from the ground up to endure the insane pressures of these rifle cartridges with a stainless steel frame that is, frankly, built like a tank. And let's be honest, when somebody sees that massive cylinder and realizes it's running a rifle round, the intimidation factor is just off the charts. Smith & Wesson Model 500. And finally, here it is. The king. The Smith & Wesson Model 500. This is not just the most powerful production revolver in the world. It is the very definition of ballistic dominance in a handgun. The price point comes in around $1,569, and every single cent of that goes into one thing: raw, unmatched, terrifying power. Chambered in the 500 S&W Magnum, this revolver launches a 350 grain bullet at 1,975 feet per second. That hits with a staggering 3,030 foot-pounds of muzzle energy. Let me put that in perspective for you. That is more energy than a .30-06 Springfield hunting rifle. And you are firing it from a handgun. Smith & Wesson had to literally invent a new frame to contain this power, the massive X-frame along with advanced metallurgy, just to keep the gun from blowing apart. The barrel features a huge, non-removable compensator to help tame that recoil. But the muzzle blast is legendary. If you stand 50 feet to the side of this thing, you will feel the concussion in your chest. And even with all that power, the accuracy is still incredible. It's not just a hand cannon. It's a precision hunting tool for the biggest game on Earth. These 8 revolvers sit at the absolute top of handgun engineering. Each one brings more than just raw numbers on a spec sheet. They deliver confidence, they deliver authority, and they deliver a kind of psychological edge that no long gun can truly replicate. So, I've got to ask, if you could add just one of these monsters to your collection, which one would it be? Drop your pick in the comments below. And as always, if you got value out of this breakdown, do us a favor. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Stay tuned. Because next time, we're breaking down the most powerful hunting cartridges ever developed, including the ones deemed too extreme for civilian use. You won't want to miss it.